What up guys? Welcome back to another episode of LiveLeanTV. I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna be putting together some delicious blueberry protein muffins because I had a craving for muffins. I'm like, let's get cooking. I'm gonna show you how we do it. Let's go. Okay, we have to stop the recipe right there because as I'm going to show you right now, what happened next didn't quite work out. The batter was really too dry, and when I actually made the muffins, and they didn't have any sweetness to them. So we don't roll like that here on LiveLeanTV. So I was missing 2 ingredients. Can you guys guess what 2 ingredients I was missing? Put the comment down below. But everything you saw previous to this, all those ingredients are still in it. But I needed to add 2 more ingredients, which you're gonna see right now.
Oh, so moist, so delicious, so good looking, so just gain friendly. Get in my belly.
All right, let's taste. Ooh, come out nice and easily. Oh, that is a blueberry muffin. That's what I call living lean. Damn, that's good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try. It's like, I tried to use ingredients that should be in your cabinets all year round. So whenever you have that craving for something, you want to stick to your nutrition plan, go grab these ingredients, throw them together. It's ready in like 15, 20.
Take a bite. I dare you to take a bite and tell me that's not delicious. Take a bite. Oh, so good. I want a bite? Yeah! How good is that, Kai? So good?
Yeah. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that episode. Hopefully you're gonna try this recipe. It is absolutely delicious and moist, flavorful, and it's a great snack to take with you to work. It's gonna give you a good source of protein, some healthy fats in there, and it's gonna reduce the amount of sugar that you would get from a typical muffin. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, you're gonna love us at teamlivelean.com. It's our coaching site. We give you over 200 cooking videos just like this, meal plans, and monthly workouts. We got it all for you there. Go check it out, go hang out with us, and let's get you results. Thanks for watching, and keep